Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So, first thing you need to do is, for the beginner method, to set up the white cross. So, first thing you need to do is find a piece that has white on it, like this white and red piece. And you want to take that piece and line it up with the red side, which is right here. So turn it twice to get it to this red side, and then all you have to do is take that side and move it so the white goes to the white side, and you have one piece set up. The next one I see is this green and white. So for this one, what you're going to have to do is bring this side down, take the piece that's now here, move it to the green side so it's lined up like this, take the red side, move it back up, and then take this green piece and turn it twice so it's now on the top with this. Now we need to find another one. This white and orange is already lined up, so we can just move that down so it's on the right side. Now we have 3 out of 4 of them. And number 4 is right here, the white and blue piece. So what you're going to have to do is move it up like that, 180 degrees to the top, move it to this. So take this, move it to the side, take this, now you can line it up like that, move it into place, and then since you moved this orange side out of the way, what you're going to have to do is move it back. And now you have the white cross. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is get the corners of the top layer. So what I do is flip it over and find a piece that is set up for the white side. So this white, blue, and red. What you're going to want to do with that is line this blue up with the blue center, and so the white is facing you. Take the top, move the white away from there. Take the side, you just take the blue side, move it up like this, so the white piece is now right there. Take the piece back, so this is lined up again, and move it down. That way, it's right there in between the white with the white blue and the white red, right where it needs to be. Now the next piece I see is this white orange blue, so you'll take it and you move it so it's lined up with the orange side. Keep the white facing you, move it away from the orange, bring the orange side up, move the piece back towards the orange side, and bring it down. And now it's in the correct spot. The next one I see is the orange, white, and green. It's already lined up, so all you have to do, same thing, just the other direction. Move it away, bring this side up, bring the piece back so it's in line with these, and move it down. Now you have 3 in place. And the final one is right here, the red, green, and white piece. So what you're going to have to move it over to where it needs to be, and then move this white, move it up, take it like that, and move this side back down. And now it's set up, so now you can line it up, keep the white facing you, take it away, move this side up again, bring the piece back, and move this down, and now you have the full white side in the correct positions. Alright, so once you get to this point with all of the edges and corners in the right spot, what you want to do is take the full white side and turn it so it's on the bottom, and you have the yellow side up. And in my position, I have one piece here, only one, that's ready to go. So in this situation where I'm gonna have to go to get the edges for the second layer. I have this red and blue piece here, and so what you're going to do is line up the red with the red, so like that. And since the blue's over here, you're going to do this. Move it away, bring this up, put it back, bring that down again, and then you're going to take this pair, now that is a pair, move it away, bring this side up, bring it over and down. And now you have this edge in the second layer. Next we got to find another one. This orange and green is already lined up. And then, so take it away, bring this up, bring it over, take this back, and then turn it, bring this over, up, back, down. Now I have two in the right spot, and then I need this one here, the red and green, so take it away, move it up, bring it over, bring it back down, got the pair there, move it away, bring this side up, bring it back over, and then bring it down. Now we have three finished, and the final one is already lined up, so we're going to take it here, up, over, back down, then take this back, bring this side up, bring it back over, and down. Alright, so once you get to this point where you have two layers of the cube solved, what you're going to want to do next, as it was before, keep it on the yellow side up, and in this situation you have the backwards L, and this is where one of the more important algorithms comes in for this piece, for this setup here. What you're going to want to do, take the cube, make sure the L is in the top left corner, and you're going to do this. You're going to take face, so you're going to go face, clockwise, right, clockwise, top, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, top, counterclockwise, and face, counterclockwise. And that's how you fix this to get it to here. And you just do the same thing to get the cross, the yellow cross, to put the two pieces here and here that you need to make the yellow cross. And you just do the same thing. Face, right, top, right inverted, top inverted, face inverted. And then you end up with the yellow cross. Alright, so there's a second situation you can run into on the yellow side. Instead of having the yellow L here, you can just run into the horizontal line of yellow, and really all you have to do with that is just F, R, U, R prime, F, U prime, sorry, and F prime. And you end up with the yellow cross. Alright, so once you get to this point where you have the cross and one corner here, what you're going to want to do is take this corner and put it in the bottom left, so you have this yellow piece facing towards you. And what you're going to do is right, top, right inverted, top, right, top twice, right inverted. And you have this set up here. Alright, so at this point there should be at least one pair of headlights where it's two of the same color, and when you get if you have one of these, you're going to want to take them and move them to the back of the cube so that they're on the opposite side of you. And the move you're going to want to do is right inverted, face, Alright, so when you get to this point with headlights with two of the same or on one color, you want to take those and put them to the back of the cube, so like that, and then you're going to want to do this algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, back to R, F prime, R prime, back to again, and R2. And you will get multiple headlights and possible one full side. And if you have the one full side, you'll turn it so that it's in line with the rest of it. And if you have all headlights, you'll just line up so the two colors are with all the rest of them.
Go.
Alright, so when you get to this, if you get to this point with one full side and the rest of them have headlights like this, you're going to want to keep the full side to the back away from you, and this is the algorithm you're going to have to use for this. F2, and depending on which side this color is on, so this one, it's going to be U prime, and then you're going to go L, R prime, sorry, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2, and you get the finished cube. Alright, so in this scenario where you only have headlights on this last layer, you're going to do basically the same thing as if you had one full side, just F2, U prime, or U depending on which side the color is on, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2, and now you have the full side where you can put that to the back and just finish up with the final algorithm to solve the cube.